Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for November. This month's theme is Creature Comforts. First, let's take a look inside the Glam Bag. We have the Juicy Couture Choose Juicy Soy Candle, Murad Renewing Eye Cream, Ciate London Metallic Eyeshadow, Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara, and the M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in Queens. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, Iconic London Caught My Eye Essential Brush Set, Pure and Nabela Embrace Your Face Eye and Cheek Palette, and the Shades by Shan, the setting spray. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and applying the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I actually already have the full-sized version of this, and it's one of my favorite eye creams. Next, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I've also already tried this, but before now, I've never had a full-sized version. I'm happy to have it in my collection now because it's so soothing and hydrating. Now let's take a look at the Pure and Nabela Embrace Your Face Eye and Cheek Palette. This features 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 4 eyeshadows. I think it's a great everyday palette. Let's finish our face makeup and apply blush and highlighter. For blush, I'm using the shade called Masala Sunset. The pigmentation is amazing. For highlighter, I'm using the shade called Noor. This one is so beautiful and smooth. Now that my face makeup is complete, I'm trying out the Shades by Shan setting spray. This water-based, alcohol-free formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ginseng extract to visibly minimize pores and leave a soft, focused finish. Next, I'm using the iconic London Caught My Eye Essential Brush Set to apply eyeshadow using the same Pure palette. The 4-piece brush set includes a fluffy blending brush, crease diffuser brush, eye shader brush, and pencil smudge brush. First, I'm using the crease diffuser brush and dipping into the matte brown shade called Bengal. I'm applying this to my crease. I'm liking the formula. Next, I'm using the eye shader brush and picking up the highlighter shade called Noor. I'm sweeping this all over my lid beneath where I applied the brown shade. Next up, we have the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara, and of course, I already own this one. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Finally, I'm applying the M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Queens. I love this deep red color. It's definitely the type of color you'd catch me wearing in November. Here's the finished look using products from both the November Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. This month featured some unique products like the soy candle, which I've never seen before, so that was pretty cool. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.